I was recently commissioned to make a stone bird bath planter. This is the stone I started with for this project. I started by drilling overlapping circles and then chiseling them out. And then this happened. So I had to come up with a unique fix for it, involving epoxy, mica powder, river pebbles, and a little bit of creativity. Because I couldn't rightly call this plants in rocks without adding plants in the rocks, I added plants to the rock for good measure. And now that it's all done, here's what it looks like. I'll put a link to the full video in the description. And don't forget, you're full of a magical thing called life, so go out there and live it to the fullest.